In this video, I'll show you exactly how to create additional YouTube channels under the same email address in just a few minutes. First, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Once YouTube loads, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. From the menu, click YouTube Studio. If you see a settings option instead, that's fine too. We can reach the same page either way. Once YouTube Studio opens, move to the bottom left corner and click Settings. Wait a moment for the settings window to load. Now look at the menu on the left side and click Channel. Next, click Advanced Settings. Then scroll all the way down. At the bottom of the page, click Manage YouTube Account. This will open your YouTube account settings. Don't worry if it looks different from mine. You've reached the correct page. Now move to the left side menu and click your YouTube channel. Scroll down until you see the channel management options. Under the channel section, click Add or Manage your channels. YouTube will now show all the channels connected to your Google account. Now click Create a Channel. You'll be asked to enter a channel name. Type any name you want for your new channel. Don't worry too much about the name. You can always change it later. After entering your channel name, click the Create button. YouTube will take a few moments to create your new channel. Once the process is complete, you'll automatically be taken to your new channel. You can confirm it's been created by checking the channel name and URL at the top of the page. If you're not automatically switched to the new channel, move to the top right corner and click your profile picture. Then click Switch Account. You'll now see all the YouTube channels connected to your Google account. Simply click the channel you want to use. If this tutorial helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.